watch this entire video. The keyword is 360. So I finally, I'm going to give you a review of the LG 360 cam. I'm showing you here the SD card, and this is where you charge it at right here. It takes USB Type-C. I have a mount that I use right here. 360 video or 180 video, and it takes regular photos. You can see there's a button right here to take photos. This is a microphone on the front, and then you've got these two cameras right here. This is the power button, so I'll switch it on. You can see it's on 360, and if I switch it to 180, which I will shortly, now I'm going to turn on the application, so it'll connect here with the phone, and you can see it's connected. And in the gallery, you can see a bunch of 360 things I've done. You can download, share, or delete. You'll see the viewfinder here, and you see you've got night mode. You can switch the camera like that manually from here. Now I'll flip it around. You can see me, but that is how that works. I think it's a very hot item. It shoots in 2K. All right, guys, just kind of sitting here, and this is a 180-degree video with the LG 360 cam, just a regular basic video. Microphone on here is really good. You won't be disappointed with the microphone quality here. I'll pan around here. You can catch this sunlight here. See you in the next one. Deuces. All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. This is episode 2 of I am not unboxing this device. I'm not doing it. This is one of several that I got brand new 5 years ago when you were able to get it free with the LG G5. Now, I actually got gotten like 5 or 6 of these, and I started to give them away in 2016, and then I did it again in 2017. So the intro you just saw was from probably 2017 if I went ahead and put it in here, or 2016, or a combination of both. This has been, oh, it broke, it's breaking, it's getting a little frail right there. This has been in my storage for 5 years. I've had so many of these. Look, man, the manufacturer date is 4/13/2016. Wow. So yeah, this is an original LG 360 cam. And this is phenomenal, man. I mean, I just, what a throwback I could give you. Some of you guys definitely remember these, and I did some samples and some quality and things like that. Unfortunately, I can't really show too much of the 360 video on here, because 360 back then you could take your cursor, your finger, and move it around your screen. But this thing was great. It recorded in 180 degrees, and it recorded in 360. And I've still got some videos up of me testing this out. So if you want to check those out, definitely go do so. But yes, episode 2, I am not unboxing this device. This was a great device, man. You believe this thing retails for $200 back 5 years ago. And I believe they sold some. I mean, if you go to the website now and you click on it, there's a button that says where to buy. And it's got some places listed, but then it says, sorry, we couldn't find an online retailer. So it's definitely, I bet you can find these somewhere. If you look somewhere, and somebody's going to probably try to price gouge you, because when there's a need for a vintage item, people really gouge the price. You know, they try to dictate the market by doing so. I had this little button up here that you would use to control it, or you can do the app. The app was super finicky back then. We're talking about 5 years ago. The app was super finicky for me at times, but it worked. And I was still trying to learn how to upload 360 videos to my channel, and finally figured that out. But it had an SD card on the bottom. It has a mount for a tripod, all built in. So I could open this up right now. I actually have one that's open somewhere, because I didn't give them all away. I have one that I kept, that I continuously tested out and charged up every now and then, and I can't find it. But it's somewhere, it's out of the box. I tossed the box, and it's just the device itself. That's probably why I can't find it. But this one is sealed. There's seal number 1 and seal number 2. And I will not be opening this product. Some things are collector's items, and you just never know. I mean, 20 years from now, someone could say, hey man, I could see these online, or someone will get a value for them. It could be something, it could be anything. So if you have collector's items, be sure to hold on to them, especially if they're sealed. Do not open them, no matter how bad that box gets beat up. Or now this box is actually in pretty good condition. I mean, the tab is starting to get frail up there because of the plastic is getting old, but this box is in brand new condition pretty much. It's just a little dusty and, you know, from sitting for a little bit, but I definitely will not be opening this, and I will not be giving this one away. And if I can find my one that's open, I'll probably go ahead and upload a 360 video soon to the channel. But if I can't find it, you know, I'm not going to do it. But yeah, this is incredible to still have, man. And when I tell you folks, I've got some cool things in my catalog that's 5 years old or older. And so this is one right here that I really wanted to show you guys, man. This is the LG 360 cam. Now, they originally announced this back in 2000, I think in late 15 or something like that. Came out in 16, and they started giving them away. You had to go online after you bought your LG G5, which was $629 back 5 years ago. And you can probably find those brand new for $100 or $200 now. But you got this free when you submitted your code or whatever online. So that is phenomenal. Welcome to another episode. This is episode 2 all the way down. I'm not unboxing this device. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.